Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Lizelle Leon, 24 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children, and I'm high school graduate.
Hi, Miss Lizelle. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Honest, hardworking, and responsible.
So why do you want to work in Singapore?
To my future of my children.
Okay, so does your husband really allows you?
Yes, sir, Madam. My husband allows me
How will you avoid your homesickness?
to do my job and concentrate my work.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
Give her proper food and vitamins and take a bath.
So in case you commit a mistake, what will you do?
I say sorry and never do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, if you hire me, I give my best to work with you. And I promise to finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Lizelle, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you, sir, Madam.